What is going on, world? This is Dominic Fazio coming to you live from Sandy Sansing Nissan here in beautiful Pensacola, Florida. I'm with the Bailey brothers. We wanted to tell you guys it is the big game week. Sunday, they got the big game going on. Sandy wanted to have a little bit of fun, let you guys come out. Everybody that test drives or buys a car is gonna have the opportunity to pick the winner. We got Kansas City versus Tampa Bay on Sunday, guys. Who you got, King?
Tampa Bay, baby, all
Tampa
the way.
Bay.
KC all the way, baby.
Uh-oh, got the highs in there. Okay, guys, so y'all come out, test drive a car, see if you want to buy a car. Either way, you get to put your name in the raffle. On Monday, we're going to take the winning team box, take a name out of there, and you are going to get a 3-year maintenance plan here at Sandy Sansing Nissan. We've got a fantastic quick lube facility. You'll be able to come in, we'll pay for your oil changes and your balance and tire rotations for 3 years or 36,000 miles, okay, guys? Tell them what you think, Bailey Brothers. What about the game?
This is what I think about the game. You can't leave out the 21 road. You can't leave out the 21 type. Also, we got some special incentives on our Nissan Altima and our Citrus. So come on down to the Sandy Sansing Nissan here in Colorado City.